Welcome to amepreparation.com, a practice set for EASA and DGCA Module 11.6 on electrical power, that is ATA24, is available on amepreparation.com to help students and professionals revise the concepts and excel in their examinations. The set contains a range of questions designed to test knowledge and understanding. Question 1. A lead acid battery is considered to be fully charged when option A. Cells begin to gas freely, option B. Sg reaches 1.180, option C. Sg and voltage remains constant for a specified period. The correct option is option C. Sg and voltage remains constant. Question number 2. The preferred method of battery charging a nickel cadmium battery is constant. Option A power, option B voltage, option C current. The correct option is option C current. Question number 3. A battery in situ that is in operation on an aircraft. Option A may charge slowly if initial battery voltage is low. Option B charges at a fairly constant rate because generator voltage remains constant. Option C may charge at an excessive rate if initial battery voltage is low. The answer is option C, may charge at an excessive rate if initial battery voltage is low. Question number 4. To parallel an alternating current generator with one or more other generators, phase A must be option A 90 degrees out of phase and ABC, option B in phase with other generators and ABC, option C in phase with other generators and CBA. The correct answer is option C in phase with other generators and ABC only. Question number 5. On an unparalleled twin generator alternating current system, the phase of the second generator to be brought online, option A is unimportant, option B must be in phase prior to paralleling, option C is important if the first generator fails. The correct answer is option A is unimportant. On the direct current short shunt generator, output voltage at the load is 200 volt. What is the voltage across the shunt winding? Option A 206, option B 200, option C 212. The correct option is option A 200 volts. Question number 7. On a direct current circuit, current limiters, option A prevent excessive current to the load circuit, option B allows excessive current to the load circuit, option C prevent excessive current to the load circuit. The answer is option A prevent excessive current to the load circuit. In a direct current twin generator system, the paralleling relay contacts close when the oncoming generator's voltage is option A above busbar voltage, option B below bus bar voltage. Option C, the same as bus voltage. The correct answer is option A, above bus voltage. Question number 9. When a current transformer is disconnected, what should be done? Option A, terminals shorted. Option B, left open circuit. Option C, resistor placed across terminals. The correct answer is option A, terminals shorted. Question number 10. What does the differential sensing coil sense? Option A, current. Option B, power. Option C, volts. The correct answer is option A, current. Question number 11. Where does the GCU gets its power? Option A, PMG. Option B, battery. And option C, RAT. The correct answer is option A, PMG. Question number 12. Galley loads are wired in option A, either series or parallel depending on the design. Option B, parallel, so load shedding will lower current consumption. Option C, in series. The correct answer is option B, parallel, so load shedding will lower current consumption. Question number 13. A fuse type current limiter is option A, limits current flow to a load. Option B, can be used as a radio suppressor. Option C, opens a circuit after a time or current condition has been exceeded. The correct answer is option C, opens a circuit after a time oblique current condition has been exceeded. Question number 14. When a load is shed from a bus bar, option A, bus bar voltage increases. Option B, current consumption from the bus bar decreases. Option C, bus bar voltage decreases. The correct answer is option B, current consumption from the bus bar decreases. Question number 15. In unparalleled AC generation system, the phase rotation of one generator in relation to the others. Option A is unimportant. Option B must be DGCA. Option C must be synchronized prior to paralleling. The correct answer is option A is unimportant. Question number 16. In a multi-generator system, the generator which takes more than its reactive power share is protected by option A, overcurrent and undercurrent protection circuits. Option B, overvoltage and undervoltage protection circuits. Option C, overexcitation and underexcitation protection circuit. The correct answer is over voltage and under voltage protection circuits. Question number 17. Sharing of electrical loads by paralleled DC generators is controlled by option A, equalizing circuits which control the field excitation of the generators. Option B, equalizing circuits which control the speed of the generators. Option C, automatic load shedding. The correct answer is option A, equalizing circuits which control the field excitation of the generators. Question number 18. Excessive commutator sparking can be caused by option A, brushes position on M&A. Option B, rotating field diode failure. Option C, weak spring tension. The correct answer is weak spring tension. Question number 19. Before checking the SG of a battery recently removed from an aircraft, option A, carry out a capacity test. Option B, take the temperature of the electrolyte. Option C, allow to stabilize for 1 hour. The correct answer is take the temperature of the electrolyte. You are practicing practice set EASA and DGCA module 11.6 electrical power ATA24. MEpreparation.com's MCQ set for EASA and DGCA module 11.6 on electrical power, that is ATA24, has been created to help students and professionals sharpen their understanding of the topic and excel in their examinations. This set contains a rich set of questions designed to test your knowledge and help you revise the concepts in this module. Have faith in our practice set, work hard, and get ready for your exam thoroughly with us. Please carry on with the next. Question number 20. Over voltage protection circuits are activated. Option A, dependent on the magnitude of the overvoltage. Option B, after a fixed time delay. Option C, before the overvoltage limit is exceeded. The correct answer is option A, dependent on the magnitude of the overvoltage. Question number 21. Which fault does not always trip the GCR? Option A, over frequency and overvolt. Option B, over frequency and under frequency. Option C, under frequency and undervolt. The correct option is option B, over frequency and under frequency. Question number 22. Differential protection in a generating system. Option A, uses the volts coil to trip the GCR. Option B, detects voltage difference between source and load. Option C, detects current difference between source and load. The correct answer is option B, detects current difference between source and load. Question number 23. Open phase sensing on a current transformer. Option A is detected using any phase. Option B is detected using all phases. Option C is detected on generator neutral circuit. The correct answer is option C is detected on generator neutral axis. If the battery is switched off in flight, then option A, battery is disconnected from bus bar. Option B, generator voltage falls to 0. Option C, captain's instruments will be powered from the standby bus bar. The correct answer is option A, battery is disconnected from bus bar. Question number 25. To flash a generator field. Option A, generator is online and producing a voltage less than the flashing voltage. Option B, generator must be stationary. Option C, generator rotates but is not online. The correct answer is option B, generator must be stationary. Question 26. Generator voltage is controlled by option A, the constant speed drive. Option B, the switch plate. Option C, the voltage regulator. The answer is option C, the voltage regulator. Question 27. Distilled water should be added to a nickel cadmium battery. Option A, at any time. Option B, when fully charged. Option C, only in the battery workshop. The correct answer is option C, only in the battery workshop. Question 28. Overflowing electrolyte in a nickel cadmium battery indicates option A, excessive charging current. Option B, low electrolyte temperature. Option C, not enough charging current. Question 29. During a normal engine shutdown, generator tripping is initiated by option A, under frequency. Option B, under voltage. Option C, over current. Correct answer is option B, under voltage. Question 30. What would you use to neutralize nickel cadmium battery spillage? Option A, bicarbonate of soda. Option B, distilled water. Option C, boric acid. Correct answer is option C, boric acid. Question 31. Before operating generators in parallel, their voltage should be matched to prevent option A, voltage spikes of sufficient magnitude to trigger GCU over voltage circuit. Option B, large circulating current developing. Option C, overloading the generator drive and shearing of splines. Correct answer is option C, overloading the generator drive and shearing of splines. Question 32. Consumer loads are connected to a bus bar. Option A, in parallel, so when loads are shed, current is reduced. Option B, in series, so when loads are shed, current is reduced. Option C, in series, so when loads are shed, voltage is reduced. Question 33. A current transformer connected on the neutral star point of a generator is for option A, differential current protection. Option B, negative sequence protection. Option C, overload protection. Correct answer is option A, differential current protection. Question 34. In an AC generation system, the frequency and phase rotation option A must be out of phase prior to paralleling. Option B is of no consequence after paralleling. Option C must be synchronized prior to paralleling. Correct answer is option C, must be synchronized prior to paralleling. Question 35. Placing the battery master switch to off during flight will option A, disconnect all power to the main bus bar. Option B, shut down the APU. Option C, isolate the battery from the main bus bar. Correct answer is option C, isolate the battery from the main bus bar. Question number 36. Whilst operating parallel AC constant frequency generators, it is important to maintain generator outputs at the same time. Option A, to prevent a circulating current of considerable magnitude developing between two or more generators. Option B, to prevent a circulating current developing between two or more TRUs. Option C, to prevent CSD shock loading. Correct answer is option A, to prevent a circulating current of considerable magnitude developing between two or more generators. Question number 37. A voltage regulator installed in series with generator field. Option A, uses a current coil in parallel with generator output. Option B, uses a voltage coil in series with generator output. Option C, uses a voltage coil in parallel with generator output. Correct answer is option C, uses a voltage coil in parallel with generator output.